If you have noticed that you do not have the energy you had in your 20s, that your erections are less firm, less lasting, and that you sometimes feel a little pressure or frustration from your partner, you are probably experiencing a drop in testosterone that hits the majority of men after a certain age. The truth is, most of us prefer to ignore the problem and hope it goes away, until our self-confidence takes a serious hit in the bedroom. I'm going to explain in detail how I managed to turn things around and regain a level of performance that literally makes my partner completely crazy, in a totally natural way, in just a moment. But right before I reveal what truly saved my manhood, you need to know that I put a link in the description with an exclusive and massive discount on this exact product. So go check it out right now to make sure you do not miss this very limited offer. At over 40 years old, I am a pragmatic guy, and I do not have time to waste with weird chemical pills or empty promises. When I first started looking for a solution to boost my libido, I initially tried Ragnar X gummies. You see them everywhere right now, so I gave them a shot. Honestly, yes, you feel a little boost at first, but it is very short-lived. I quickly realized that the effect dropped off just as fast as it came on, and it absolutely did not fix the root of the problem in the long run. That is when I did my own research and switched to Mancode gummies, and let me tell you, the difference is night and day. These are not just candy. It is a 100% natural formula recommended by doctors that directly targets the cause of erectile dysfunction. Unlike everything else I had tested before, the effects of Mancode build up and truly last over time. It is packed with natural ingredients that significantly increase blood flow to guarantee much harder, bigger erections that go the distance. It naturally rebooted my testosterone production, which gave me crazy energy and a real daily libido, not just on the weekends. By taking just one gummy a day with my meal, I got back the stamina needed to go several times in a row without any fatigue, with much more intense sensations and sensitivity. The most reassuring part is that there are no pharmaceutical ingredients, so there are absolutely zero side effects, no headaches, and no digestion issues. If you want to regain real confidence in bed, stop feeling embarrassed, and fully satisfy your partner's needs with maximum power, click the link in the description right now. There is an exceptional discount available today specifically for Canadian residents, but with the current media buzz, their stock is evaporating before our eyes. Do not wait for a total stockout. Use the link right below the video to claim your Mancode gummies and become the man you have always been again.